Where'd Asta go?
I don't know, maybe she went missing.
We can figure it out later. It's okay. But anyways, how are your gardens?
She's here, and now she's gone. You wouldn't want to miss the movie of the year.
So what are we gonna do?
So maybe we can like call like a paranormal expert, because this guy who wrote this journal seems like he knows a lot of things about ghosts. That's a good idea.
Right there. Oh no!
By the way, coming this September, rated PG-13.